Imagine this. You work hard, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and stash away your savings. Smart move, right? You're securing your future. But what if I told you that if everyone did the same thing, it could actually make the economy worse? Sounds crazy? Well, welcome to one of the strangest concepts in economics, the paradox of thrift. It challenges everything we've been taught about money. Is saving always a good thing? Can spending actually be better for the economy? Today, we're diving deep into this mind-bending paradox and uncovering why too much saving can backfire, not just for you, but for society as a whole. Let's break it down. 1. What is the paradox of thrift? Saving money is important. We all know that. It gives you a safety net, financial security, and peace of mind. But here's the twist. What happens if everyone starts saving more and spending less at the same time? Where does the money go if no one is spending it? How does this impact businesses, jobs, and even your future savings? This is what British economist John Maynard Keynes pointed out back in the 1930s. He noticed that when people collectively tighten their belts, it can trigger an economic slowdown. Why? Because one person's spending is another person's income. Think about it. If you stop eating out, your local restaurant loses revenue. If enough people do this, the restaurant might struggle to pay employees, or even shut down. Now, the workers who lost their jobs also stop spending. The effect ripples through the economy, and suddenly, everyone is worse off. So, paradoxically, the more we try to save, the poorer the economy becomes. 2. How does this affect you? Let's make it personal. Imagine you're working in a company that sells electronics. If consumers suddenly decide to save instead of upgrading their phones or laptops, your company makes fewer sales. With lower revenue, they might cut costs, maybe even let employees go. Now, let's say you get laid off. What's the first thing you'll do? You'll start saving even more, cutting back on spending wherever possible. And guess what? That's exactly what thousands of others are doing too, which only makes things worse for businesses and the job market. It's a cycle that feeds itself. The more people save, the less money circulates, and the economy slows down. This is why governments often step in with stimulus programs during economic downturns. They encourage spending by lowering interest rates, offering stimulus checks, or even funding large-scale projects to create jobs. Their goal? Keep the money moving. 3. A real-life example, the Great Depression. Let's go back to one of the biggest financial disasters in history, the Great Depression of the 1930s. During this period, fear of economic collapse made people hoard money. They stopped spending, businesses lost income, companies shut down, and millions of people lost their jobs. The economy spiraled downward. So what did the government do? They started spending big time. They launched massive infrastructure projects. They injected money into the economy. They encouraged people to spend and invest instead of hoarding cash. And guess what? It worked. When people started spending again, businesses recovered, jobs were created, and the economy rebounded. This same strategy has been used in recessions, financial crises, and even the COVID-19 pandemic. Governments around the world pushed out stimulus checks, reduced interest rates, and increased spending to prevent economic collapse. 4. So, should we just spend everything? Before you go on a shopping spree, let's be clear. Saving is still important. The key is balance. Good saving habits, emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses for financial security, investments. Money should work for you, not sit idle in a bank account. Spending strategically, supporting businesses and investing in the economy helps everyone. Harmful oversaving, keeping too much cash without investing it. Cutting back on all spending, hurting businesses and workers. Delaying purchases indefinitely, causing economic stagnation. The economy thrives when money circulates. When people spend, businesses grow. When businesses grow, they create jobs. When jobs are created, more people earn and spend. It's a cycle. If everyone just hoarded their money, economies wouldn't grow. That's why even billionaires invest rather than just save. 5. The takeaway: smart money moves. So, what's the lesson here? Saving is great, but too much saving all at once can slow down the economy. The key is to be smart about money. Save enough for security, but don't hoard money out of fear. Spend on things that add value. Support businesses. Invest in yourself. Invest your savings so your money keeps working. Final thought. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to invest in yourself, your business, or your future, maybe now's the time to make your money work for you. What do you think? Are you more of a saver or a spender? Do you think people should save more, or does the economy need more spending? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on finance, economics, and smart money moves.